Hello guys, NPTL assignment to welding of application technology. First number question, in which type of resistance welding capacitor discharge is used? Option A is correct. Percussion welding. Second number question, a welding which is produced from overlapping spots made at the point of contact creating by two opposing wheels. Option resistance welding is correct. Which of the formula generally used for low carbon steel? Option C is correct. Electrode tip diameter. In which in which friction welding of question number 4, in which friction welding process the rotational speed remains constant until the breakable. Option A continuous drive is correct. Which of the following is true for sim building? All of the above are correct. Which group of electrode are with high temperature? Group B is correct. In resistance sport welding process, the time between press and application. Option C is correct. ऑप्शन नंबर 8 न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, इसका ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट होगा. द मटेरियल यूज फॉर मेकिंग द टू, ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट कॉपर. 10 नंबर इज करेक्ट.